Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to Bluetooth pictures and videos from iPhone to Android. To do that, you have to install ShareIt app on your both Android and iPhone device. So go to your App Store and your Play Store and search for ShareIt and go ahead and install ShareIt on your iPhone and on your Android phone. Once successfully installed, now go ahead and launch ShareIt on your both Android and iPhone. And now we have to connect our iPhone with Android phone. To do that, on your Android phone, just tap on Receive. And you have to open Grant Location Permission. Tap on Next. Okay, now on your iPhone, tap on Send. And now you can select Photos tab or Videos tab, Music tab. So I'm selecting Photos tab and go ahead and select one or multiple photos to transfer to your Android phone. And then just tap on Send. And here tap on Connect to Android. And scan this QR code using your iPhone and just tap on Join. And as you can see, I've successfully transferred these 4 photos from my iPhone to my Android phone. And you can also transfer anything from your Android to iPhone. To do that, on your Android phone, go to Photos or Camera icon and go ahead and select Photos or Videos, tap on Send. And those photos and videos will be transferred in your iPhone, as you can see. So that's how we can transfer photos, videos from iPhone to Android using Bluetooth. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.